subscribers, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an unboxing and installation of this 24-inch 13x6 wig. And let me tell you, it is a real 13x6, you guys. This wig is from Sterly Hair. They actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all. So I'm going to make sure I put the link in the description box, and we're going to go ahead and get into this video. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so we are going to go ahead and unbox this wig together on camera, and let's see what we have in here. Let's see. A cute little pink baggie. So here is the wig. It is from Sterly Hair. Of course, I'm going to link it in the description box, but let's open this thing. Ooh, okay. So we have some gifts. I'm gonna sit the wig to the side for now. So you get some lashes, very cute. Ooh, I haven't seen an edge brush like this. So it has this little eyelash shaped comb on the end, edge brush. Comes with a headband for melting the lace, a flyer, so review the wig and get some money off, and a wig cap. So let's go ahead and look at this wig, you guys. We got a 613. A 613, I don't know what kind of style we're gonna do today. So it's 24 inches, and this is a straight hair texture. So let's actually look at this wig. So today I'm rocking this wig straight out the package. I won't be toning the hair or anything. We're gonna do the 613, classic 613 look with this wig and see what it gives. Okay, guys. This is a full 13x6. You get a lot of parting space, you guys. Like all of that straight parting space. So we might be able to do a cute little updo. I haven't been able to do too many updos with 613 wigs. So yeah. And it has an elastic band in the back to make it super duper secure, you guys. So let me actually show you all this hair. But the parting space, honey, that's a lot of space. But here's the wig, 24 inches of this golden blonde 613. Okay, it is eating. So we're going to go ahead and install this baby straight out the package. And hold up, it's thick all the way to the ends. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. So here's the hair. But we are going to go ahead and install this wig straight out the gate. The way it is, it looks really cute though. It kind of has like baby hairs already down. So we're gonna see what I can do with this wig. We're gonna see. I really repeat my words a lot, don't I, guys? So this is the lace tint we're using. This is in the color medium brown. And I'm just gonna spray that all over the lace before we install this wig. And now I'm going to blow dry this lace tint on here. And let's go ahead and put this wig on. I got a little bit of lace tint in the hair, but it's okay, we can fix that. But guys, I love a good 613 because, first of all, look at this parting space. Look at all of that parting space back there. Like that is a lot of space, you guys. I cannot wait to play with this. So yeah, you can flip it over, do a nice deep side part. Yeah, very cute. But of course the lace tint on the wig is gonna come out, so don't worry about that, you guys. What I was saying is, what I love about a 13x6 is that it's very big head friendly. I feel like the excess lace really gives you a little more room when you have a bigger head like me. So I love that, you guys. So I'm just taking an eyebrow razor and cutting off the excess lace. Okay, you guys. This looks like how Nicki Minaj wigs used to look back in like 2010. But look at all that space, you guys. This is insane. Like, I'm not used to this at all. Look at all that. So much parting space. You get a lot of parting space. I'm obsessed. But okay. We are going to be using a little bit of lace spray to lay this lace down today. So we're gonna do 3 layers, and that's layer 1. Okay. This is layer 2. Okay, time for layer 3, you guys. Okay, so layer 3, I'm going to put the wig where I want it to lay, which is about right here. Go ahead, put the wig where I want it to be. Time is over there yelling in his sleep. Okay, it looks really, really pretty. So I'm just touching up these spots right here. Okay, and now just like that, it is installed. Now I need to figure out, what do we want to do? And it looks so, so cute. It reminds me of Nicki Minaj in the Right By My Side video with Chris Brown. I love her look in that video. I thought she looked so beautiful. I'm obsessed. But let's get some of this lace tint out of this lace, because it is giving like a little orangey look up here. And I want it to be like this really, really yellowish blonde. I want it to be like bow. So I'm just gonna use a little mousse, because I'm gonna have to mousse it down anyway. So we're gonna add a little mousse up here and hot comb it. I think I want a side part today with a little bang type action here. I want a little bang action. So we're gonna do a side part. I like my side parts over here on my, what is this, my right? Yeah, my right. So we're gonna do a little side part action going on. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it looks so, so pretty. Looks really, really pretty. I'm obsessed. So yeah, we're gonna have a little curve to the side part. One thing I forgot to show you all, and to do, more importantly, is to free the ears. Now I can actually glue this part down. This part is flapping, and my ear can actually come out to the side now. Put a little spray there, and we're gonna do 3 layers over here too. Good. I look really, really good. I like this super blonde 613 hair. Like, usually I tone my hair, but I'm liking this. I don't care. It looks good. I like it. This is definitely a club night out type of wig, but I like it. So let's focus on getting this as flat as possible. We want it to have like a little curve to it going on. But let's get all this flat. So I'm using a little mousse. Okay, bam, that's pretty flat right now. That's as flat as I need it to be. Bam. Let's use a hair tie. I say hair thing. I didn't realize most people say hair, don't say hair thing, but we're just gonna use any hair thing. Cute, cute, cute right now. And then I wanna pin this ponytail we have back here up so it sits up like that. Bam. So let's pin this up. This 613 is kind of like, I like it. It's bold. Like, when you don't tone the hair, you just wear it straight out the package. Like, this looks bold. I like it. This hair really is a nice thickness too, you guys. Bam. And I actually want to, this looks good. This is cute. This is cute. This is fly, and this is gonna keep it out of our face too. Or out of our eye. So our lash doesn't like droop down or anything. Oh wow, this is really cute. I like it, I like it. Huh. This is really cute. So actually, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and curl the rest. I'm gonna go ahead and take my wand curl and curl these pieces that are already down, because it just looks more cohesive. This looks glamorous. This is very much birthday hair. This is a birthday type of look, night out. You're out of town in Miami or Vegas. Like, that's what it's giving right now. I'm serving face for free. So the curls don't have to be anything too tight, anything too glamorous. Just like, you know, we just want a nice little curl going on. And just like that, let me try to lift this up a little bit more. Bam, it looks so, oh wow, I look so cute. I love this. I want to switch out this necklace for some pearls, but like, this looks so, so cute. It is giving like birthday. I love it. I am obsessed. And the hair is super shiny, super smooth. I haven't gotten any shedding. It's cute. I love it. Like, I've never worn my hair, like, first of all, I never did this style. Second of all, I've never just worn my hair 613. So this is actually really, really cute. But once again, this wig is from Sterly Hair. I'm going to link it in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.